sensor, or otherwise called PIR sensor, potentiometer, range sensor, LDR, and LDR module more. Control system are for humans or the brain, for robots, microcontroller and microprocessor. Microprocessor is the art of the computer system, cost of entire system. Microcontroller is the art of embedded system, cost of the entire system is low. Acquisition system for humans are muscle, leg, and so many. For robots, they use only motors like stepper motor, gear motor, like that. Robotic technology are most industrial robots have at least 5 parts: sensors, effectivity, activity, controls, and arms. Many other robots also have artificial intelligence and effectivity that helps in achieve mobility. The sections discuss the basic technology of robots. Sensing can be different from like light, sound, heat, chemicals, force, object proximity, physical motion or orientation, magnetic and electric field resistance, like that, many more. You can see here the types of sensor. This sensor is used in the industrial like factories. This is called industrial proximity or IR sensor. This is ultrasonic sensor, and this is called LDR light sensor. It can detect the light. This is called touch sensor. This is called heartbeat sensor. This is humidity sensor. We can measure using soil moisture sensor for the moisture of the soil, and many more. Controllers connect to the computer, which keep the pieces of the arm working together. The computer is the control. The control function as the brain of the robot. The controller can be also linked to the other system so that the robots may work together with other machines, processor, or robots. Types of Arduino are Arduino UNO, Arduino Nano, Lilipad, Arduino Mega, and Arduino Pro Mini. This is the wheel of the robots used in cars and many more. This is the leg of the robot we can use in the projects like transformer and many more. Degrees of the freedom is independently controllable components of the motion. The degree of freedom. This is the degree of freedom definition. This is arms used in the industries for take something and put wherever they can want to. Mechanical structure. This is kinematic chain, links, joints, shoulder joints, elbow joints, upper arm, lower arm, place the plate, wrist, and enter. This is the example of the human structure of the from shoulder to the tip of the finger. Types of robots are mobile robots, rolling robots, walking robots, stationary robots, autonomous robots, remote control robots, virtual robots, and beam robots. This is the development of the robots. This two is the rolling robot. This is a walking robot. This three. This is the type of the robot. Mobile robots are controlled with the mobile using Bluetooth, Wi-Fi. In 1979, a nuclear accident in USA caused a leak of radioactive material which led to production of special robot which can handle the radioactivity metal. This is called stationary robots. Stationary robot, you can say the example of writing robot. We can work it with less that is called stationary robot. It can write our work. It can drawing robot. Anything. Autonomous robot is it called as rover. It used in Mars. The human cannot go area. The robot can go and take the sample images and sample items and come to the lab. That is called autonomous robot. Remote control robots are like a remote control car. We can use the remote considered as one Arduino Nano transformer and the robot contain the receiver. For example of remote control robots are the remote control cars. Virtual and beam robots are used in the industrial to make the work simple. Robot application are space mission. Space mission is used in the autonomous robot. Robot in Antarctica exploring volcanoes, underwater explosion. Medical sciences, surgical assistant assembling factory parts, handling and assembling, painting. Surveillance is security, bomb disposed, etc. Home help is grass cutting, and first aid. Industrial application of robots, material handling, material transfer, sport vending, spraying coat, assembling, and many more. Any queries you can ask in the comment section. Thank you.